In the second part of video series, how to make a game in Unity, I will explain how to make a game terrain. I will use the texture map that was made in the previous video, and I will use a simple white background. The colors will be sharper. If you don't know how to make a white background, check my channel and you will find a video how to make a white background in Blender. I will scale this background a little bit. And I select everything, A button, and press Shift plus A to make a mesh plane. Scale the plane by 10 or more. Go to Edit mode and press E on the keyboard to extrude. Make some cuts, Ctrl plus R on the keyboard. Make cut from the bottom to the top, it will be the grass. Enable proportion editing if you want to form more interesting terrain. Proportion edit is a way of transforming selected elements. C on the keyboard to select multiple faces at once. In this place I will form the hole. You can form a terrain as you want. In object mode, you can smooth your terrain. Now we need to select the upper layer. It will be the grass. Hold right mouse button, loop selection. C key, circle select. To decrease or increase, use num minus or num plus, or the middle mouse button. I will assign colors. Turn on cycle render. Go to material tab. I will use texture map that we created in the last video. Find and add the texture map. Open up the other window with UV image editor. And now you can see the texture. Press U key and then click reset. Now we have this simple unwrapping box. We can resize and change its position. G key to move this unwrapping to one of the color squares. This is the way how to texture your objects. Make the same with the ground, only make a new material slot. Again U and reset. S to scale, G to grab. Go to render mode and you will see how it looks in a game. In this place I will make a sandy hole. Same procedure. I will adjust the edges, it will look more naturally. That's it. Export file into VBX format for Unity. Select the objects that you want to export. Export only mesh. Apply selected objects. We don't need sun and the render background. And apply transform. Thank you for watching. Subscribe my channel. In the next part, I will explain how to import VBX file into Unity.